Hello everyone, welcome to Nirmani Cake Sundays YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about fragmentation and defragmentation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and join with my channel for more important scientific videos like this. Technology and information technology related subjects, we most of the time talk about fragmentation and defragmentation. That is the topic we are going to discuss today. Fragmentation and defragmentation is a huge problem when we use hard disk drives. What will happen is when we buy a all new computer, when there is a hard disk drive, that hard disk drives platter by platter, side by side, all the data will be arranged very nicely. Then after 1 year, like on the platters, what will happen is we will delete some data, sometimes songs, movies, anything. So from different places data will be deleted. Small places will be free from the data. But that is not a continuous memory area. That is the problem. After long time usage, when your hard disk drive is about to full, most of the time we don't have a long continuous data segment to store data. Then what will happen is, if you, let's say, all these small parts together is 4 GB. I have a file which is 3.5 GB. Then when I try to store my 3.5 GB file inside this, yes, that is possible because we have 4 GB memory. But it's not a continuous memory. If we had a continuous memory area, nicely we can store our file. But that is not available in the moment now. We have some scattered memory areas available. So what we can do is, this file, we have to divide into small parts and store here and there. But it is one file. Therefore, these small files we have to connect together. We have to keep some external other data to keep track of where we have our data. So that then what will happen is that data storage also very time consuming and a complex task. Then data retrieval also a very complex task. It will take more time to retrieve data. So as a solution, what you're doing is you're applying defragmentation. Some operating systems, together with the help of the architecture of the computer, automatically applying defragmentation, and sometimes it's for us to get that action. We have to give the command for the defragmentation, then it will happen. Both types of operating systems available. Anyway, when we apply defragmentation, what will happen is the data we have will come to one side and whatever the available spaces will come to another side. So that is a processor intensive, very complex task because we have to change all the pointers, the memory locations, everything of a lot of data when we move the data to one segment. But the advantage is now we have larger free space so that the data available we can store in that space. That is a very good advantage when we are using hard disk drives. So fragmentation actually generally happens by the use of generally when we are using the hard disk drives with our computers. That's a naturally happening process with the hard disk drives. So the thing is, we have to apply defragmentation, then problem will be solved and we can use our hard disk drive normally. That's about fragmentation and defragmentation. I hope you get a good idea about fragmentation and defragmentation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can receive notifications for new videos. Have a nice day. See you soon.